morning, welcome to a new day on the cruise. Okay, so I had my breakfast like an hour ago, and post that I was reading for a bit because I really wanted to digest before I could work out and I could go for the rock climbing, which is available here on the extreme. What would that be? That's forward. Yeah, this is aft, I think, so that would be there on the aft side of the cruise. So I'm gonna go and check it out. It's really sunny, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it right now, but I'll just see if I can. I'm like in the right clothes, so let's see. Also, I lost my scrunchie, which is why I'm just like, my hair is all over the place right now. The rock climbing wall. I just got done working out. I mean, 3 days में this is the first time I worked out. Even though मैंने सोचा कि मैं रोज सुबह उठ के करूँगी, but then I'm sleeping late and I'm waking up late, and so I did not get a chance to work out. But आज मैंने decide करके रखा था that after eating I'm gonna go for my workout. So that's what I did, and I am so fucking impressed with the gym here. They have like legit all the required equipments. I mean, मेरा काम हो गया तो मुझे लग रहा है कि यार. So anyway, this is the post-workout glow, and do you want a tour of the gym? I think you do. Wait, finish it. Workout with a view. Not interesting. That's this entire gym here. That's about it. I'm gonna go have a nice shower now. Hey guys, ice cream. So yeah. Yes. So we were just like having a conversation, having ice cream, and now it's like the golden hour time. So we decided to come up here on the top, show you around. Yes, you all need to see this video. Wait. And we were just trying Kona Paragus step, and I just oh my god, I just fell on.
So let's say,
What? We have laughed so fucking much पूरे trip में. My goodness, you guys, I can't even tell you. So swear. Go. Okay, now we're dressing up because we gotta take some beautiful shots for the gram, like in a sari or something. I'll see what I want. But before that, Sagar is the model for Cordella Cruises. Apparently, जो जिनके साथ हम शूट कर रहे थे, पूरा जो टीम था Cordella का डिजिटल मार्केटिंग टीम. Look at him. Go in style. Anyway, जो Cordella का टीम है पूरा जो शूट कर रहे थे, so they have asked Sagar, and they've asked him that if he can pose for the pool thing that they want to shoot. I think it's because of the look that he's going for today.
It's not the look, bro.
And it's also because I think...
It's about who styled me.
Oh yeah. Sit no it.
Yeah.
So apparently a lot of people on board, initially they were like asking me if I'm an influencer, of if I am, you know, like a blogger or something.
Yeah.
But now there are people asking Sagar.
Mic drop.
Sagar, don't. No plastic.
No plastic.
So yeah, it's all because of a change in his dressing that has been done, like styled by Shah. So if you ever need assistance, you know who to contact.
If you ever need a model, you know
Who to contact. अच्छा, okay. तो मैंने लंच खाया. मैंने बताया क्या लंच कितना यम था. बैंगन का भरता और दाल रसम सूप में कुछ तो था. इट वाज सो फकिंग यम. मैंने 2 बार लिया. सो वेरी यम. तो अभी आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग फॉर हाइट. Wait, I'm complimenting your shirt.
Thanks,
अच्छा
यार.
तो है वो बोल.
It's good, right? यहाँ पे
Yes.
न्यूटेला नहीं है तो ये तो चल
Oh yeah. True. Sagar has become a pro ना पूरा आइस कॉफी बनाने में सबके लिए. Oh, सागर कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया. मत
अरे ऐसा ही है ये.
टेस्ट तो कर. सागर का सागर नहीं एक्चुअली संकेत का ही है ना.
ठंडा होएगा तो अच्छा लगेगा.
इसका क्या कर रही
5 मिनट रुक जा.
अच्छा है no doubt.
Look at the sunset, you guys.
I hope you enjoyed this beautiful evening. Come on. Hey. All the alcohol lovers, grab your drink as the sun is setting down.
Oh, तुम सब अभी. This is going to be fun.
हाँ लाइक.
मेरे को नहीं खेलना. इसका
ये क्यों
Wow.
कर दिया?
This is fun. This is fun.
Okay.
Listen, whatever you touch, you have to remove that.
ऐसा
It's
नहीं.
अरे वो रूल है गेम का.
Of course too. छोड़िए. ये क्या करिए? क्या?
लास्ट तो निकाल ही सकती हूँ ना, क्यों नहीं?
फर्स्ट नहीं निकाल सकते? नहीं निकाल सकती है. मेरे को लग रहा है फॉरम से गिरेगा. गिरा. ओह. करिश्मा.
Good morning, you guys. It's my last full day on the cruise, and I'm really sad. And yeah, I'm just really sad. But I just woke up, and we have landed here in Goa. Goa का port पीछे दिख रहा है. We're gonna go have some breakfast, and then I'm gonna take you through the day कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं. Are we gonna be on the cruise, or are we getting down, or what? But for now, just know that I'm sad. Yeah. So we are in Goa, and this is the port, and it's pretty nice. There's no one here. At 9 ko this starts. Hi Goa, did you miss me? Did you miss me? I'm coming there soon, sooner than you can think. Anyway, this is a rock climbing place. अभी थोड़ा काफ़ी sunny है, and I'm gonna be climbing here. It starts at 9, so I'm just waiting for the guys to show up. Hello.
Which one are you gonna try from here?
First one.
First one.
That's the most easiest one.
ये वाला try करना. The fourth one.
The fourth.
It's the medium difficulty.
Really?
Yeah, you can try this, but अगर पहले हो जाए वो फिर.
हाँ वही. I want to go. वैसे वो bell बजा के आ जाऊँगी मैं.
हाँ.
Signing the waiver form, which basically means मुझे कुछ हुआ तो no भटचुक from their side. ठीक है. I mean, fair enough.
Come on, fun.
You can do it, pay the way, put you back into it. Tell us how, show us how.
You're climbing the second one. Which one? Third one.
Yo,
Which
I
is the
said-
easiest one? The last one.
Yeah.
You can get 2 to 3 chances.
Oh. Wait.
And while coming down, just hold this black tape and leave. Don't try to pull it. Just hold it and leave.